Alright guys, it's about time for our monthly Knitcrate video, which is just a little unboxing that I do every month when I get my Knitcrate subscription. So if you don't know what Knitcrate is, it's a monthly yarn subscription service, and you get a surprise colorway of yarn in your mailbox every month. So they have a couple different crates to choose from, and for the past few months I've been sent their sock crate and their knit crate. So I'm going to show you their sock crate first, because that's usually my favorite, if I'm being honest. So like I said, they send you a mystery colorway every month. They dye up a few different colors each month, and then you get sent one of them as a surprise. So you don't get to pick. If you're really picky about colors, this probably isn't for you. But this month is, again, the Vita Lana brand by Knitcrate. And it's their ambient sock in the colorway Robin's Promise, which is really pretty. It's 80% Peruvian Highland wool, 20% nylon, and a fingering weight with 400 yards. So here it is. It's this really gorgeous, like robin's egg blue color. So you get the yarn, and you also get one of their booklets, which comes with patterns and inspiration and a bit of information about the dyers and the designers. So this month comes with 3 patterns, 2 knitting patterns and 1 crochet pattern. So this booklet is the same for Knitcrate and Sockcrate, so you get 2 patterns that go with the yarn for Knitcrate and 1 knitting pattern that goes with the Sockcrate. And you can go online and download the patterns too. Here was their inspiration for this month. You also get patterns like that. So even if you didn't order their Knitcrate yarn, you still get both patterns, a knit one and a crochet one. So you can use that with any yarn that matches the gauge. So that's kind of the nice thing, is that even if you don't use it with the yarn that you're sent, you can use it with any other yarn in your stash. And then you also get this pattern, which is a crochet pattern, I believe. And then, ooh, these are actually really pretty. This is the sock knitting pattern for this month. It's just kind of a fun little booklet with patterns and just some fun things to read through. So it's kind of like a mini magazine, and then patterns and the yarn. So that's Sockcrate. And they give you a little sneak peek on what next month is gonna look like, which looks pretty crazy. They have lots of really bright colors that they're drawing inspiration from, so it will be interesting to see where they go with that. It kind of seems like they do a lot of alternating between like toned down colors and really pop colors. So like this month is, I'd say, pretty toned down. It's kind of a bright blue, but it's not like neon or anything. I would still consider that pretty toned down. And then with their knit crate, you get 2 skeins of yarn and the same booklet. And so the same rule applies, where they dye up different colorways, but they send you a surprise one. So this is the colorway that I was sent this month. And it is the same brand, which is Vita Lana, and it's ambient worsted in the colorway Whiskey. And it's 100% Peruvian Highland wool in a worsted weight with 201 yards per skein. So 400 yards total. And that is the color. It's showing up a little bit bright on screen. This is a little bit more accurate here. So again, you get the same booklet, which has the pattern for the kind of crochet. It's, I forget what those things are called, but it's like a long tube that you stick your hands in and it keeps them warm. And then also, I believe, a cowl. Yeah, so the knitting pattern is a cowl, and the crochet pattern is that hand warmer, whatever it is. But you don't have to use those patterns. That's kind of the beauty of it, is that you get the patterns to use for anything you want, or you could just pick another pattern that you have in your library, or that you've been wanting to use on Ravelry, and use this yarn for it. So this was their sock crate with 1 skein of yarn and the booklet, and their knit crate has 2 skeins of yarn and the booklet as well. So you get 3 patterns with each box, and 1 skein of yarn with sock crate, 2 skeins of yarn with the knit crate. I have a discount code if you're interested. No pressure. If you're just here to enjoy looking at yarn, that's great. But if you want to use it, if you want to try a knit crate, I have a 20% off coupon that you can try. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.